Sammy, what are you doing here?
Go with you, Sammy? No, I can't. Sammy, what are you doing? Sammy, what are we doing? What? Do you want my money? What do I need this $5 for? Oh, thanks, Melo. What do I do with this now? Better be worth it. What do I do with this receipt? What is it all about?
That $5 of yours just earned you a spot in a new club called Seagull Squad. You turn that money into the treasurer's office to get this receipt that you will now turn into the advisor, Miss Park, on the first floor of the A building in her classroom.
What happens then?
You get a customized Seagull Squad t-shirt and a stamp card.
Oh, that's sweet. What's the stamp card for?
The more events you go to, the more stamps you get on your stamp card. Towards the end of the year, there's going to be a prize. Let's go.
Hi! Sammy, did you bring me another Seagull Squad member? Here is your shirt. Make sure to get involved. We'll see you at the game.
Thank
Bye.
you. What's next, Sammy? What do I do now?
Yo, what's up, Sammy? Hey, did we get ourselves a new Seagull Squad member?
Yeah, but what is it?
Well, Seagull Squad was created to get more people to attend events because we'll be providing things such as giveaways, as like gift cards, coupons, and any other type of things that will get people excited to come. And also, I heard that this next game, we'll be giving a huge giveaway at Brugull FEST this Friday.
What's Brugull FEST?
Oh, it's the biggest basketball game of the year. We go up against our rival, the Cascade Bruins, and it's at Everett Community College this Friday at 7:45.
Oh, that's really cool.
Also, I heard they'll be giving away an Xbox 360 plus games to a lucky Seagull Squad member.
That's awesome. I'll definitely be there.
Wait, but there's more. At the end of the school year, the top 30 kids with the most stamps will go to a paid Sounders game.
That's awesome.
Alright, I gotta go, guys. I'll see you guys 7:45 at Everett Community College this Friday. See ya!
Bye. Thanks, Sammy. I'll see you at the game.